from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Shelby, Alabama. Tornado emergency for Columbiana. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Talladega County, southeastern Shelby County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Columbiana, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Columbiana. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Sylacauga, Childersburg, Columbiana, Wilsonville, Talladega Springs, Harpersville, Fayetteville, Sycamore, Lay Lake, Shelby, Sylacauga Municipal Airport, Beeswax Creek Park, Alabama 4 Hours Center, Shelby Shores, Cedar Creek, Highway 145 and Creek 46, Kelly Branch, Varnoms, Gaston Steam Plant in Munyan. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Shelby, Alabama.